Hi everyone. So today in this video we are going to cover some important current affairs for KVS exams. Before going to the videos, if you want to watch some other videos related to KVS exams, especially child development and pedagogy part, the videos links are given in the description box. Click the link and watch the videos. In that videos classes are taken in Tamil but content will be in English, but that will be very useful for you. Watch the videos also. Okay, let us discuss some important current affairs. So first news is Indian National Supermodel. The Indian National Supermodel was launched by Ministry of Science and Technology. This was launched to help monitor transmission of COVID-19. The model will integrate mathematical and statistical forecasts. And second one is International Everest Day. International Everest Day is observed every year on May 29. This day is especially celebrated in Kathmandu, Nepal and Everest regions. Sir Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Densing Norgay Sherpa from Nepal, who became first humans to achieve the feat in 1953. It is the world's highest mountain above the sea level with elevation of 8,848 meter. This is very important because this type of questions they may ask in general knowledge part of KVS exams. So here the height is 8,848 meter and the Everest another name is Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolungma in Tibet. The mountain was named as Everest as a tribute to Sir George Everest, the Surveyor General of India from 1830 to 1843. And the next news is first time in human history the Spear instrument of the VLT has captured the birth of new planet in the AB Auriga star system recently. This is the first time in human history the birth of a star is being witnessed. VLT stands for Very Largest Telescope, which is located in Europe Southern Observatory, Northern Chile. And next news is, this news is regarding artificial intelligence. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad launched Responsible AI for Youth, an AI portal called www.ai.gov.in. This program aims to provide a platform to empower their new age technology skills, especially artificial intelligence based skills. This portal will share articles, startups related to artificial intelligence. Proxima b, the international teams of scientists confirmed the existence of the new planet that is of the same size of the Earth. The planet is named as Proxima p. This planet evolved Sun in just 11.2 days. This planet is revolving Proxima Centauri star in the Alpha Centauri system star in the system Alpha Centauri star system. The spectrograph espresso used to detect the planet. Proxima Centauri is the closest star to the Sun. Wajid Khan of Sajid Wajid music composer passed away on June 1. He was also diagnosed with COVID-19. He sang the song Sonade Nakre. Agni Prastha missile park Agniprastha to be set up and 2 megawatt solar power plant inaugurated at INS Kalinga. Agniprastha aims to capture glimpses of missile history of INS Kalinga since its inception in 1981. Indian Navy headquarters is located at New Delhi, and last one is very important. Indian Navy headquarters is located at New Delhi. Thank you for watching these videos. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications regularly.